The Red Line, sometimes known as the Howard-Dan Ryan Line or the North-South Line, is a rapid transit line in Chicago, run by the Chicago Transit Authority, CTA, as part of the Chicago L system. It is the busiest line on the L system, with an average of 251,813 passengers boarding each weekday in 2012. The route is 26 miles long with a total of 33 stations, from Howard Station in Rogers Park on the north side, through the State Street subway and to 95th/Dan Ryan in Roseland on the south side. Like the Blue Line, the Red Line runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. A proposed extension adding 4 new stations would extend the Red Line south from 95th/Dan Ryan to 130th Street. The Red Line is operated with the Bombardier-built 5000 series railcars. From 2012 until October 2013, the Red Line was operated with the 2400 series cars, during weekday rush hours, and from 1993 until 2015, the Red Line was operated with the 2600 series cars. As the 5000 series cars were delivered, the Red Line's 2600 series cars were transferred to other lines to replace the 2400 series cars. From October 2013 until April 2014, several of the Red Line's 2600 series cars were transferred over to the Purple Line as they were displaced on the Red Line by the 5000 series cars. Beginning in June 2014, CTA began to transfer the 2600 series cars from the Red Line over to the Blue Line due to them being newer than the existing Blue Line cars, transferring the Blue Line's older 2600 series cars to the Orange Line as an interim replacement for its 2400 series cars. Beginning in October 2014, CTA had also started transferring some of the Red Line's 2600 series cars to the Orange Line, replacing the Orange Line's remaining 2400 series cars until the Red Line was fully equipped with the 5000 series cars. There are 2 rail yards for the Red Line cars, Howard Yard, for the northern portion of the line, and 98th Yard for the southern portion of the line. Another yard, the 120th Yard, has been proposed as part of the Red Line extension. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.